I'm Steve Wolff, President of DocuProducts. Since 2001, we've been proud to be a member of the Better Business Bureau because here we feel strongly that trust, ethics, and integrity are at the heart of what we do. For almost 30 years, we've provided businesses across Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles with reliable copiers, printers, and document management. What sets us apart? Our customer-first approach. For us, having a BBB accreditation isn't just a seal, it's a promise. It reassures our customers and employees that we operate with integrity and credibility. New clients can verify our reputation, request quotes, and feel confident about our commitment to service. We take pride in being the largest local Canon dealer in the area. Our experienced sales team and highly trained service technicians understand the challenges our customers face, and we work quickly to provide fast, flexible, and cost-effective solutions. At DocuProducts, we're committed to building trust, which for us involves delivering excellent products and services while having a positive impact in our community. Being a member of the BBB of the Tri-Counties has been part of our journey for over 2 decades, helping us stand out as a business customers can rely on.